Happy Hearts Hub.
Long ago, dragons ruled the sky. Their shimmering scales glowed in the sunlight, and their magic came from the powerful dragon stones, glowing gems that gave them strength and long life. Then, one day, the elves arrived. They were clever and curious, and they loved to build. When they saw the dragon stones, they asked the dragons, "May we use your stones to help our villages grow?" The dragons, being kind, agreed. The elves built wonderful cities, powered by the stone's magic. For thousands of years, dragons and elves lived in peace. But as time passed, some elves wanted more stones. They took too many, and the dragons began to grow weaker. Then, a new elf king took the throne. "I want all the dragon stones for myself." He sent his army to take the last remaining stones, not caring if the dragons disappeared forever. The dragons tried to protect their magic, but there were only 3 left. The strongest dragon, with mighty wings. The wisest dragon, older than the stars. The youngest dragon, small but full of hope. They needed help. In a quiet little village, a human boy named Elden loved to explore. One day, he found something amazing, a hidden portal glowing softly in an ancient stone archway. He touched the stone and a whisper filled the air. "This is the key to keeping balance, but only for the pure of heart." Elden didn't understand at first, but when he heard about the Elf King's plan, he knew what he had to do. Elden ran to the dragons. "We have to protect the last dragon stones. I have a plan." The 3 dragons agreed, and together they hurried toward the portal, but the Elf King and his army were close behind. The sky darkened. The ground shook. The Elf King reached for the last dragon stone, laughing. "It will be mine." But before he could touch it, Elden placed the stone in the center of the arch. A brilliant light burst from the portal. Whoosh! The world began to change forever. The dragons were lifted into the sky, taken to their own world, a land of golden clouds and floating mountains where they would be safe forever. The elves, along with their greedy king, were pulled into their own world, a land full of magic, but far away from the dragon stones they once took. And the humans stayed in their world, safe from magic's dangers, but still full of wonder and adventure. As the light faded, Elden looked up at the portal. It was now silent and still, guarding the entrance to the 3 worlds. Elden knew that one day someone might try to open it again. So, he made a promise. "I will protect the portal and make sure no one misuses it." And so, from that day on, a long line of brave guardians was chosen from the humans, sworn to keep the balance and protect the 3 worlds. And so, the worlds remained at peace. The dragons soared high, the elves kept their magic, and the humans told the story of the boy who saved them all. The end. If you enjoy the story, hit like and subscribe to the channel.